For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a picture framing business is an opportunity to blend creativity with craftsmanship while meeting the growing demand for customized art, photography, and memorabilia display solutions. With the help of free AI tools, you can reduce startup costs, speed up decision-making, and gain strategic insight. This guide provides a step-by-step approach to launching your own picture framing business, incorporating the use of artificial intelligence where it matters most. Step 1. Research the picture framing industry using AI. Begin by understanding your target market and industry trends. Use Google Bard or ChatGPT to analyze current consumer preferences, pricing strategies, and demand levels in your area. Ask ChatGPT something like, "Give me a market analysis of the picture framing industry in your city or region, including competitors, pricing trends, and customer demographics." You can also use Google Trends to identify seasonal peaks and search popularity for terms like custom picture framing, art framing, or poster frames. This data will help you plan your offerings and marketing timing. Step 2. Define your niche and services with AI guidance. Decide what type of framing services you'll offer: custom framing, art restoration, frame repair, shadow boxes, or wholesale frames. ChatGPT can assist in refining your niche based on customer demand. Try a prompt like, "What are the most profitable niches in the picture framing business, and which customer groups do they serve?" You can also describe your skills and ask, "Based on my skills in woodworking and photography, which framing services should I focus on for maximum profit?" Step 3. Write a business plan using ChatGPT. A well-structured business plan is essential. ChatGPT can create a full business plan including executive summary, market analysis, operations, marketing, and financial projections. Use this prompt. Write a complete business plan for a small picture framing business offering custom frames, art restoration, and ready-made frame sales in your location. You can adjust the plan by prompting. Revise the marketing section to focus on social media and partnerships with local artists. Step 4. Choose a business name and branding with AI design help. Use AI tools like Namalix to generate business name ideas based on keywords like framing, gallery, custom, and art. Once you select a name, use Loca or Canva's free logo generator to create a brand logo. To get logo ideas, prompt ChatGPT. Suggest brand name ideas for a boutique picture framing business with a focus on handmade, wood frames, and vintage designs. Once you've selected a name, you can also prompt, write a brand slogan and a short brand story for business name. Step 5. Register your business and set up legally. Choose your business structure, sole proprietorship, LLC, etc., and register with your state. Use ChatGPT to understand your local requirements by prompting, "What licenses, permits, and insurance are required to start a picture framing business in your state or city?" ChatGPT can help draft templates too. Ask, write a client intake form for a custom picture framing order, including measurements, style preferences, and deadlines. Step 6. Design your workspace and equipment plan with AI visualization. Whether you're working from home, a studio, or a retail space, you'll need a layout plan. Use RoomGPT, a free AI-powered room planner, to visualize your workshop layout, including table saws, frame assembly areas, and display space. Ask ChatGPT, "What is the ideal equipment list for a small picture framing studio starting on a $5,000 budget?" You can even go further and ask for sources. Where can I buy affordable used picture framing tools in your region? Step 7. Develop your pricing strategy using AI tools. Use ChatGPT or Excel integrated AI like ChatGPT for Sheets to create a cost-based pricing model. Include labor time, material cost, overhead, and markup. Prompt ChatGPT. Create a pricing calculator for custom picture framing services based on frame size, material, labor hours, and glass type. This will help ensure consistent, profitable pricing. Step 8. Build an online presence with free AI tools. Start by creating a website using free tools like Wix or WordPress. Use ChatGPT to write content. Write the homepage copy for a custom picture framing business and location that emphasizes craftsmanship and quick turnaround times. For visuals, use Canva to create banners and promo materials. Use tools like ClipDrop or Remove.bg for removing backgrounds from photos of your frames. You can also generate product descriptions with prompts like, write a product description for a handcrafted oak picture frame with a vintage finish. Step 9. Create a marketing strategy with AI automation. Use ChatGPT to outline a full marketing plan. Prompt: write a 6-month marketing strategy for launching a custom picture framing business using Instagram, Facebook, email marketing, and local partnerships. You can also generate Instagram post captions, add headlines, or email templates with prompts such as, write 5 Instagram captions for promoting a new picture frame collection with eco-friendly wood. Use MailChimp's free AI assistant to draft email newsletters. Try AI tools like Buffer's AI Scheduler to automate social media posts based on optimal engagement times. Step 10. Build local and online partnerships. Reach out to local artists, photographers, schools, and galleries who might refer clients to you. ChatGPT can help write introduction emails and pitch decks. Try a prompt like, write a professional outreach email offering custom picture framing services for artists and photographers. You can also ask, what types of local partnerships are most valuable for a picture framing business, and how should I approach them? Step 11. Offer exceptional customer service and gather testimonials. Use Google Forms or Tally.so, both free, to create a customer satisfaction survey. ChatGPT can help with, write a short client feedback form for a picture framing business. Ask satisfied client for testimonials and use ChatGPT to clean them up for marketing. Polish this testimonial for use on my website. They did a great job on my wedding photo frame. Fast and super friendly. Conclusion: starting a picture framing business has never been more accessible thanks to AI. With tools like ChatGPT for planning, Canva for branding, RoomGPT for layout, and Google Forms for customer feedback, you can launch efficiently and affordably. The real advantage lies in using AI to make better decisions, automate tasks, and craft a business that is both creative and profitable. By following these steps and regularly refining your strategy using free AI tools, you position your framing business for long-term success. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.